In this podcast, I'm going to explain Agentic AI for non-IT professionals. Welcome to 360 Degree Data Podcast, where we make AI, data, and analytics simple for everyone. Today, we are going to talk about one of the biggest shifts happening in artificial intelligence, something called Agentic AI. Now, if you have heard this term before and thought, what on earth is that? Don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what it means and why it's a game changer and how it's going to affect the way we all work, even if you're not in IT. What is Agentic AI? Let's start with what we already know. Right now, most AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, or Gemini, they are reactive. You ask a question and they respond. You give a prompt and they give an answer. That's powerful, but it's only one way. Agentic AI takes that a step further. Instead of waiting for instructions, these AI systems can think, plan, and act on their own without any prompting, but within the boundaries you define. Think of it like this. Old AI is a calculator. It waits for you to press buttons. Agentic AI is an assistant. It knows what needs to be done and takes the initiative to do it. For example, instead of asking ChatGPT, write me a report, an Agentic AI could gather data from your sales system, analyze the numbers, write the report, create a PowerPoint summary, and even schedule an email to your boss, all automatically. How does it actually work? Behind the scenes, Agentic AI is powered by three big components. Planning. It can break big goals into smaller steps. For example, launching a marketing campaign can be broken into collecting data, drafting emails, and posting on LinkedIn. And the second component is memory. It remembers what it did before. Unlike traditional chatbots that forget context, Agentic AI builds long-term memory so it can improve over time. And thirdly, action. It connects to real tools like your calendar, emails, CRMs, and databases to do things instead of just talking about them. You can think of it as an employee that never sleeps, doesn't forget, and learns every day. Let's make this practical, shall we? In marketing, an Agentic AI can plan campaigns, test ad variations, and automatically adjust budgets based on performance. In finance, it can reconcile transactions, send alerts for unusual spending, and even generate forecasts. In HR, it could screen resumes, schedule interviews, and follow up with candidates. And for data professionals, it can automatically clean data, generate insights, and even trigger reports without waiting for human input. It's like having a junior analyst, researcher, and project manager all rolled into one. Why it matters, you may ask. See, the magic of Agentic AI isn't just automation. We have had automation for years. The difference is autonomy. Agentic systems can make small decisions on their own and adapt when things change. They don't just follow rigid rules, they learn, reason, and act dynamically. That means businesses can scale faster, professionals can focus on creative and strategic work, and repetitive tasks finally disappear from our to-do list. But, and this is important, Agentic AI must be trusted, secure, and transparent. It should always explain why it did something and let humans stay in control. So what's the future? We are still early, but tools like LangChain and Crew AI are already paving the way. Soon we'll all have personalized AI agents, one for work, one for learning, and one for life. Imagine saying, plan my week, and your AI agents books meetings, drafts emails, and updates your task list across all your apps. That's where the future is heading. So, to sum it up, AI answers question. Agentic AI takes action. It's like moving from ChatGPT to Do GPT. And that shift from conversation to execution is what's about to transform how every industry operates. If you found this helpful, hit like and share it with your team, and subscribe to 360 Degree Data Podcast for more practical insights on AI, data, and automation. Until next time, stay curious, stay data-driven.